All right, guys, today we're making another Bob's Burgers burger, but paleo, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by slicing your shallots, and we're going to do about 3 of them for 2 burgers, and then we're going to take our meat and we're going to break it in half, and we're going to form our burger patties. So I found that my favorite way to cook burger patties now is in an air fryer, so make sure that you're preheating your air fryer to 400 for 5 minutes, and then we're going to make our patties. I like to splay mine out really far just because they shrink up. And then we're going to do salt and pepper on, I only did one side. I don't think both sides need it. And then we're going to add our dried thyme and just kind of smoosh it in there. And then we're going to bake it for 8 minutes at 350 degrees. While that's cooking, we're going to heat our butter and then add our shallots into it. And we're going to cook this on medium-high heat, add our rosemary and our sage in, cook it for about another 5 minutes, stirring it occasionally. After it's been cooking for about 5 minutes, we're going to add in our red wine vinegar. Just a splash of it is what I like. Too much is too much. And then we're going to let this sit and cook for another 5 minutes so that they get not caramelized, but softened. And then we're going to add our shallots to a bowl. And we're going to do 1 tablespoon of our mayo. Make sure you're using avocado oil mayo. It has the lowest fat percentage, and just mix all of that together. Once that's done, we're going to add our romaine lettuce. We're going to put our burger patty on top of that, add our shallots, and then some avocado, and that's it. If you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe. If you tried it, let me know what you think. But otherwise, bon appetit, y'all.